Well, millions of us vote every year. Millions of others don't. But here in Cuyahoga County, one judge is under fire for ordering dozens of defendants to cast a ballot or face jail time. That's about to change after the investigator Tom Meyer demanded answers.
I am your voice.
At every election, the Constitution protects your right to choose a candidate. It also gives you the right to stay home and not vote. Your vote, your choice. Unless you're standing before Judge Cassandra Collier-Williams. In dozens of cases, Collier-Williams gave defendants an unusual, some say unconstitutional, choice. Go to the voting booth or go to jail. For Rayshawn Dawson, it was an easy call.
I just go to jail.
At his sentencing last May, the judge ordered him to register to vote.
I felt like it was a violation of my rights.
Dawson simply ignored the judge's mandate, despite the possibility of violating his probation.
I mean, it should be my choice if I vote or not. I shouldn't be in fear of going to jail or being incarcerated because I choose not to vote.
Legal experts agree. They say the judge requiring someone to vote tramples their First Amendment rights.
And deciding not to vote is probably a very personal decision that a judge shouldn't interfere with.
Here at the Justice Center, the judge ordered dozens of defendants to the polls over the past 2 years. To stay out of jail, they had 30 days to register and then vote in every election.
The ACLU was the first to challenge the judge in 2015.
People choose not to vote, that shouldn't mean that they're sent directly back to jail.
The judge argued she's always issued the voting requirement with good intentions.
Our job is not just to tear down defendants. We're trying to build them up.
Collier-Williams stopped the practice last week after Channel 3 News began asking questions.
My opinion was that unless I see a basis to not do it, then we'll continue doing it.
The judge says no one was jailed for not voting and no one pressured her. Rather, constitutional concerns helped change her mind.
I didn't want to continue doing it if there is a possibility that perhaps it should not be done.
It took 2 years for the judge to see the light. So what's the verdict on the judge's decision to end her vote or jail order?
So I feel like basically that the truth was unraveling and the violation of people's rights. I feel like that's why she stopped doing it.
In Ohio, convicted felons are permitted to vote as long as they're not in prison. It's their choice. As for those already sentenced by Judge Collier-Williams, it's now the job of probation officers to tell defendants they once again have a choice to make on Election Day: vote or stay home. I'm the investigator, Tom Meyer.